Hello, what's up? And welcome back. Today I'm going to take you to one of the famous festivals here in the Philippines, the Panagbenga Flower Festival of Baguio City. We're going to witness the Panagbenga Street Dance Parade. This group that you are looking right now, they are from Kalinga of Mountain Province and they are wearing a traditional Igorot outfit. Kulang sa breakfast?
Agbyag! Panagbenga! Agwaw! Agbyag! Panagbenga!
Alright, so the Panagbenga Festival Street Dancing Parade of Baguio City is gonna start right now. Enjoy! Hey, what's up? It's me again, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this wonderful show. And please don't forget to like this video and, of course, subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy more videos like this in the future. And next is the full performance of the Kalinga Ifugao group. And from here, we will follow the parade route and we will walk from the upper session road to lower session road, and I will show you the live experience of watching the Panagbenga Festival of Baguio City. And enjoy!
Crazy.
So that we will know.
Aside from celebrating, I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting.
And that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel so that I can see you next time. Thank you. Bye.